Okay, so let's talk about data. There's this huge challenge in the data world, right? It keeps these amazing insights locked away from so many people. We're always hearing that data is the key, but what if you don't have the key? I'm talking about those complex coding skills needed to unlock it. Well, today we're going to dive into a solution for that.
Seriously, just think about that for a sec. What if you could tap into the full power of all your data without writing a single line of Python or R? I know, it sounds kind of like a fantasy, right? But it's not. This is the exact problem that a really powerful tool was built to solve.
Right, so let's talk about this barrier. We hear it all the time. Data is the new oil. And yeah, it's absolutely crucial for everything, from marketing campaigns to groundbreaking research. But, and this is a big but, for so many professionals out there, there's this massive wall. That need for advanced programming skills, it just makes real, powerful data analysis feel completely out of reach.
So what if you could just tear down that wall? Well, guess what? You can. Let me introduce you to KNIME. It's the no-code solution that was specifically designed to make data science accessible to, well, everyone. All right, so what exactly is KNIME? First off, the name stands for Konstanz Information Miner. A bit of a mouthful, I know. It's this super powerful open source platform that actually started at the University of Konstanz way back in 2004. And really, its mission from day one was simple: make data analytics intuitive and accessible for everybody. The easiest way to wrap your head around KNIME is to think about Lego bricks. Seriously. Each little block, which KNIME calls a node, does one specific job. Maybe it reads some data, or filters it, or even runs a super complex machine learning model. All you do is connect these nodes together piece by piece to build out your entire data workflow. And the whole process is just so simple. It really boils down to 3 steps. First, you drag and drop the nodes you need. Then you connect them all up, creating this visual map of your analysis. And finally, you just hit execute and watch it run the whole thing. And the best part? Absolutely no coding required. Now, this whole visual approach, it isn't just some cool gimmick. It's actually a revolutionary way to think about data analysis, especially when you put it side by side with traditional coding.
And yeah, when you see them compared directly, it's pretty eye-opening. With a visual workflow like KNIME's, suddenly data analysis is accessible to literally anyone, whether you know how to code or not. The whole process is visual, it's easy to understand, it's easy to share with your team, which makes collaboration a breeze. Plus, you can test out ideas way faster, and you basically get rid of all those frustrating little syntax errors that drive coders crazy.
Okay, but this isn't just theory, right? KNIME is out there in the real world making a massive impact. We're talking about some of the most data-heavy industries you can imagine.
Take healthcare, for instance. It's being used to analyze really complex patient data, building these incredible models that can actually predict things like disease outcomes or which patients might be readmitted. And that helps hospitals use their resources way more effectively.
Then you've got the high-stakes world of finance. Banks and institutions are using KNIME to analyze market trends, manage risk on their investments, and, this is a huge one, detect fraud in real time. It can spot these tiny patterns in the data that a human analyst might totally miss.
And what about retail? Oh yeah, retailers are using it to understand their customers on a much deeper level. They can segment them into groups, which leads to way more accurate sales forecasts and better inventory. Basically, it helps make sure that the stuff you actually want to buy is on the shelf when you go to the store.
Finally, let's look at manufacturing. It's being used to optimize entire production lines. It can even predict when a piece of equipment is about to fail by crunching all this data from IoT sensors. We're talking about saving companies literally millions of dollars in downtime and repairs. It's huge.
So, okay, after hearing all of that, I'm sure the question popping into your head is, hey, is KNIME actually right for me?
Well, the answer is almost definitely yes. I mean, think about it. It's a total game changer for business analysts who need to get insights but don't have time to learn code. It can help streamline workflows for even the most experienced data scientists. Marketers can use it to fine-tune their campaigns. Researchers can dig into super complex data. Even IT pros can monitor system performance with it. The range of who can use this is just enormous.
Look, if there's one single thing you take away from all this, let it be this. KNIME really does open the doors of data analysis to a broader audience. It takes all that power that used to be held by just a few coding experts, and it puts it in the hands of anyone who's curious and has a problem they want to solve.
So, I'm going to leave you with a final thought. Every bit of your data has a story to tell. And now that you know the barriers can be torn down, what are you going to build?